Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear trash in Canva. To clear trash or delete files on Canva, first of all, open the Canva application or Canva website and sign in to your account. Once you're inside the homepage of Canva, tap on the menu button at the top left corner. In the menu option, you will be able to see the trash option. Simply tap on it, and inside the trash, you will be able to see the list of deleted files. Select the file you want to clear, tap on the three dots right above it, and then click on Delete from Trash. Soon after you do that, confirm that you want to delete this file from the trash as well. Tap on Delete from Trash in the pop-up, and the file will be deleted permanently. So that's how you easily delete or clear your trash on Canva. Remember that every project or design that you delete will stay in the trash for 30 days before being automatically removed. But if you want to remove it right away, you can always follow the steps that I mentioned. Once you permanently delete a file from the trash, you will not be able to recover it, so make sure to make a wise choice. So that's how you easily clear your trash in Canva. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. See you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.